Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sonetech. Today I would like to talk about Blockcast. Blockcast is a decentralized content delivery network and marketplace, and they have been able to raise $2.85 million US, and it's a great airdrop that is currently ongoing, and I would like to introduce you all to it. Let's get started now. Okay, all you need to do on here is try and register. If you register your email or sign up. So I'm using Google, so I will click on it so that I will try and log in automatically with my Gmail account. Which you can see I'm doing now. Okay, sign. When you have done signing in or logging into Blockcast, all you need to do is try and connect your Solana wallet. So I'm about doing it right. Link your wallet. So let me link my wallet. Okay. Already have Phantom wallet, so I need to enable it so that to be able to connect, for me to connect. So Phantom. Let me enable it. I disabled it, so that's why it's not showing. So let me reload my page so that I can connect my Phantom wallet. Okay, connecting my Phantom wallet now. It's taking a while, but it will be done connecting shortly. I'm done with my wallet connection on here, so I need to try and perform the other task that is left with. That is linking my accounts, clicking on it. I'm almost done linking my Twitter right now. Same profile, link Discord account. It's the same process that I need to do. The same process I did for the X. That's the same process I'll also do for the Discord. So, which I'm executing it now. Authorize. Okay, I think I'm done with. I'm currently done with all the tasks, as you can see here, but I'm sure as time goes on, more tasks will be enabled for us to perform, which you will see. A managed node is coming soon, reward is coming soon, register your node is also coming soon. So I'm sure they will enable more tasks for us to do to be able to gain more points. Thank you. I'll be sharing my referral link in the description box for you to follow. Thank you all. See you another time.